Okay, here we go, everyone. If I am audible and if I am visible, please type in the chat box. HB is audible. Very good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Music is audible. Am I audible? Yes. Okay. बहुत नया नया फीचर्स आ गया. Okay. Let's do it less lighter. Appa. Let's do this, everyone. 390. $450. अबे रोशनी क्यों आ रही? Fantastic. Very good morning, everyone. With a lot of energy, let's begin today's session. Okay, much better. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Very good morning, everyone. लंबे समय के बाद we have members joining in. Sound is fine. Okay, everything is fine. Thank you so much. So, as we have joined for today's session, really happy that all of you have taken your time out. On this Sunday, you could have done anything else. You know, maybe watched a Netflix series, maybe just went with your friends. लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम निकाला अपने आप के लिए, थोड़ा कुछ नया सीखने के लिए, एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. So really happy, really appreciate your presence, everyone. And I love you. After a long time we are meeting and it feels so much joyful to reconnect with you all. It's going to be a very small, short, tiny session. Not so tiny, maybe 45 minutes. But we're going to learn a lot. We're going to explore a lot. New updates. And it's going to be a great time. Okay? Let's do this, everyone. Fantastic. Chest out, shoulders back, everyone. Smile on your faces. Take your hands. Okay, very important. We have recognized one important thing due to the experience, the audio experience. Many people, if you're using your mobile phones, अगर phone use कर रहे हो, and you're logging your Zoom, this meeting from the mobile phone, then the audio quality is going to be very bad. If you're using your this kind of which कहाँ पे गया मेरा? If you're using this kind of Bluetooth phones, and if you are logging in from your mobile, the audio quality is going to be very bad. So make sure you log in always. If you have wired headphones like this, ये wire होते ना ऐसे पुराने वाले. So if you are logging in from your phone, make sure wired earphones you're using. If not, then please always log in from your laptop. Laptop say whichever way you like. You can use the Bluetooth, you can use anything. So make sure you are logging in from your laptop, and you can use anything. If from the mobile, you need to always only use these wired earphones. Okay? But make sure you're wearing your earphones, नहीं तो वो immersive experience नहीं आएगा. Okay? Especially for what we're going to start from tomorrow is going to be very magical. After a lot of effort from many years, I've been trying to figure it out, what can work for people, and I think I've cracked the code. So what you're going to experience from tomorrow is going to be something next level. From tomorrow, there's going to be something very interesting, which I'm just going to tell you in just a bit. For that thing, make sure you use your earphones, headphones, whatever, and you're going to have an immersive experience. Okay? From tomorrow, the meditations are going to be next level, top notch. Better than what you have experienced. You can simply, at least 50% better in terms of structure, music, sound quality. Okay? From your side, just make sure you are logging in from your laptop, or if you're using your phone, okay, use your wired earphones. एंड इफ़ यूर जस्ट कि नहीं यार कुछ नहीं लगाना है, जस्ट ऐसे लगा के रख देंगे, मज़ा नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, द ऑडियो क्वालिटी इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी देयर. यू हैव टू बी लिटिल इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. गॉट इट? फैंटास्टिक. Okay, my dear friend. So today's topic we are going to explore is this mind. The mind chatters a lot. ठीक है ना? The mind chatters a lot like crazy. And how to really get hold of our crazy mind, right? So this is something we're going to explore. The mind's overthinking. This overthinking is troubling us. How to really master this overthinking. No, we have mastered overthinking, but how to stop overthinking. Okay, so we're going to explore this. Let's do this, everyone. A lot of energy and smile. Okay, I'll just put it off only. Much better light. Okay, so here we go. So let's start. So today we're going to explore in the WIFFM is today we're going to explore, that is, just as you can see. Can you see the screen? Just let me show. Stopping update, a big announcement. And the second thing is stopping. I'm overthinking. ये तो भाई साहब ऐसा है. Okay. So everyone, these are the topics of today. Let's keep it short, fun. So what are we going to explore today are these two things. Chaliye. So everyone, as you can you see the screen? Kidhar gaya screen? Okay. So two things we're going to explore today. Some big announcement I'm going to make. And the other thing is how to stop overthinking. Stopping overthinking is a topic that we're going to explore. Okay. So let's start, everyone. Chest out, shoulders back, smile on your faces. Okay. We're going to start this. Let's do this, everyone. So, everyone, as we start, keep your right hand on your heart. Keep your right hand on your heart. Smile on your faces. Every time, remember the simple thing. To really absorb any knowledge from me or anybody, wherever you're watching, if you just want to listen anything very carefully, one of the things is that your physiology has to be very positive, your body language. Agar hum aise baithenge, you're not going to feel, you're not going to absorb. The thoughts are going to just, thoughts will, you'll be lost in the thoughts. So first of all, everyone, chest out. Keep your chest out. Chest out, spine erect, chest out, shoulders back. Yes. Smile on your faces. Fantastic. Smile on your faces. Okay, keep your hands like this. Okay, take your hands first of all like this, everyone. Yeah. High in the sky. Okay, high in the sky. Okay, chest out, shoulders back. Tighten up your fist, everyone. Just tighten up your fist. Fantastic. Okay, let's do this, everyone. Tighten up your fist like this and just say the following words after me. I am. And take your name at the end. जो भी आपका नाम है. I am. And I am a gift to the world. I honor myself. I respect myself. And I truly, truly love myself very much. I embrace the uncertainties of life. I embrace the uncertainties of life. I know I've gone through a lot of struggles in life. I know I've gone through a lot of difficult times in life, but I'm proud of myself for keep walking. I'm proud of myself for keep moving. I'm proud of myself for not giving up. I'm proud of myself for rising up. I'm proud of my journey. I'm proud of myself, of who I have become in this journey. No comparison with others. I honor myself. Everyone say it louder with smile, right on your heart. I honor myself. I respect myself. And I truly, truly love myself very much. मैं मस्त हूँ, मैं जबरदस्त हूँ. I am not a sheep anymore. Scared of small things. I am a lion, everyone. Tighten up your fist. I am a lion. And I'm ready to bounce back. I'm ready to roll back. Everyone just tighten up your fist and give a roar like a lion. 1, 2, 3, just say yes! Let's do it one more time, everyone. 1, 2, 3, yes! Fantastic. Beautiful. With this positivity and energy, we begin today's session, everyone. Okay, fantastic. How many of you are feeling really high on energy or feeling positive? If you're feeling positive or high on energy, please type. If you're feeling positive, type P. If you're feeling high on energy, just type HOE. Fantastic. So as I said, people who have just joined in, make sure you have logged in from your laptop or PC for better sound quality. If you have logged in from your phone, make sure you're using your wired earphones. Okay, fantastic. So my dear friend, let's move to today's topic. So as we have just explored, what are we going to, and this is going to be like 45 minutes to 1 hour of a session. We're going to go fast and explore a few things. So 2 things we're going to explore today. The big announcement, and second is stopping overthinking. Okay, how to stop overthinking? Is there a way? Is there a button that we can just put off? Nahi sochna bhai. If there is too much of water, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी आ रहा है नल से, हम क्या करेंगे? Tap off कर देंगे. Is there a way? Is there a tap to put the mind, the thoughts coming from the mind, putting it off? Is there a tap? Let's explore. Let's start. My dear friend, one important thing is God is very kind. The Creator is very kind. भगवान ने सारी, क्या कहते हैं, सारी हिंदी थोड़ी कच्ची है. The God has made all arrangements. Such perfect body. आवाज़ के लिए गला दिया है, देखने के लिए आंखें दी हुई हैं. God has given us the brain, the kidneys. God said, my child would like to see few things, so God gave us eyes. He gave us legs. God gave us everything, literally. We are also, God is breathing through us. We are not saying कि अरे अभी ना 10 मिनट के बाद breathing करता हूँ, I'll breathe after 10 minutes. No, we don't decide when to breathe. See, the breathing is happening on its own. The digestion is happening on its own. Everything is happening magically on its own. So don't you think God, or whoever you believe in, who created us, He must not have thought about this, कि people are going to suffer by their own mind. उनका मन ही उनको इतना तकलीफ देगा. भगवान ने कुछ सोच के नहीं रखा है, कुछ बटन क्यों नहीं दिया ऑफ का? सारी ध्यान रखा. गॉड गेव अस आईज, हैंड्स, डाइजेशन अपने आप हो रहा है, खाना सारा हो रहा है. Why didn't He give is a thought. because the mind is something most of us are suffering. And I believe that he never thought that we will do certain things out of human context. Matlab, if fish is swimming in the water, and if she thinks, let me go and fly in the sky, it's a stupidity. Or if a bird is flying, and if he starts thinking, let me go into the water, it's stupidity. So whatever that is natural to us, if we do, then mind is so much in our control. God never would have thought that we would do certain things so crazy, in a crazy manner. So it's not God to blame. God must have, in my eyes, whatever he thought, if you do the simple things, your mind will be in your control. Right? You just do the simple things. He did not think of giving a tap because when he would have never thought that we are going to do something with our mind so crazily. So God thought, let's let them do the simple things, and they will do the simple things, like the fish, they swim in the water, and the birds that fly in the sky. Like this, if we do the simple acts, our mind is going to be in our control. So my dear friend, looking from that lens, मुझे लगता है कि सिंपल चीज़ें अगर हम करें, बहुत फैंसी चीज़ें करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Like the birds that fly in the sky, the way they live their life, the way the fishes live their life in the waters, the way the whole nature works naturally. If we follow the natural flow, mind is going to be in our control. God just thought we are going to go with our natural instincts, but we are doing something out of the natural stuff. So like the birds, like the fishes, if we start behaving or start syncing with the nature, the mind is going to be in more of control. Today we are not going to talk on CBT, rational thinking. We have talked about that. But today it's more about, to control our mind, let's sync with nature. You understand? Let's sync with nature. Nature के खिलाफ जाओगे, तो mind is going to be crazy. If we sync with the nature, life is going to be much easier. How to sync with the nature? Syncing with nature मतलब क्या करना क्या ऐसा? Syncing with nature is the way God said. जैसे शाम हो जाती है, जैसे सूरज ढलता है, अपना काम बंद कर दो, जल्दी सो जाओ. Sync with nature. अगर आप 2 बजे सोओगे, if you sleep at 2 or 3 o'clock, it's getting out of sync. If you're overeating, it's getting out of sync. If you're not exercising, it's getting out of sync. If you are using your mind, if you're filling too much of data inside of your brain, out of the capacity, it's getting out of sync. ये फ़ोन में हो के कितनी एनर्जी है? मेरा तो 256 GB है. If you try to fill too much of data, more than 256 GB, what's going to happen with the phone, everyone? What is the one word that will happen with the phone? Everyone, please type. If there is too much of data in my phone, and if I start operating different apps, what will happen with my phone? My phone will, everyone just fill in the blank. My phone will hang. Shobhan is bang on. The phone is going to hang, and we are hanging like this. This is buffering, mental fogging, too much thoughts, overthinking, and that hanging is creating anxiety. Okay? We are getting hanged because overload of information. Simple answer is this. There are a lot of meditations, breath work, CBT, subconscious mind reprogramming, whatnot is there. But that needs to be applied when the basic is done. ABCD पता नहीं है और हम चले गए हैं novel लिखने. You cannot write a novel if you don't know ABCD. Right? So, what is to be in sync, my friend? The thing to be in sync is this. We're going to start. To be in sync, the first thing that is more important to really get hold of your mind is to sleep early. That's the first answer. If you can just write. Sleeping early. If you sleep early, you are directly in sync with the nature. When you're synced with nature, your body is sync with the nature. Your mind is in sync with nature. When your body and mind is sync with nature, there is less of thinking, less of thoughts. Sleeping early is the number one answer, the basic stuff. Syncing with nature is the most important thing. My audio is clear, everyone? Just type CLR. Yeah. If my audio is clear. Yeah, thank you. So we're going to go do together, we're going to find out the answers. Okay, here we go. One by one, in front of you, we're going to explore. The first and the foremost, my friend, you got to sleep early. Okay, here we go. In front of you, we're going to make the answers. How to stop overthinking? The basic is, the answer is, just in front of you. Syncing with nature. That's the answer. Just we'll say syncing with nature. Okay. Syncing with nature is the answer to stopping overthinking. How can we do that? The first is sleep. I will simply say sleep. In sleep, we'll put timing. Then we'll say the timing, the duration, and last is quality. सिर्फ सोना important नहीं है. Everyone, the first is, as you can see, the first is sleep is more important, the most important. The timing you sleep, the duration, number of hours you sleep, and the quality you sleep. When you wake up, how do you feel? You feel like conquering the world, becoming the next Alexander? Okay, then you really had a good sleep. That's the first answer. Stop your overthinking. If sleep, timing means what? Your body, there is something called a circadian rhythm. The body clock. Your body is kind of a clock. If you sleep, let's say, हर रोज आप एक टाइम पे सोते हो. Let's say you sleep every day at 10 o'clock or 10:30 at night. The body knows कि बेटा 10:30 बजे आप सो रहे हो. So naturally the body clock is set. The body clock is set. The mind is synced. And if you do that again for, let's say, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days minimum, you will realize your body and mind is in sync. If you sleep every day at same time, naturally your body you will fall asleep at that time, and the moment you wake up, you'll feel good. Now what is happening is, one of the major reasons of overthinking is you are sleeping, the timing is very erratic. कभी 1 बजे आप सो रहे हो, कभी आप 2 बजे सो रहे हो, ठीक है, कभी 3 बजे सो रहे हो, 4 बजे सो रहे हो, right? So the timing is very, very important, what time you sleep. Okay, so if you sleep on regular timings, it's going to be very, very important. समझ रहे हो? Second, the most important thing is, as we said, the duration. Many people just sleep for what? Some people, this is like, you have to be very successful, you have to be achiever, just 3 घंटे so. Shah Rukh Khan says, I just sleep for 4 hours. And that is not good. Okay? You need to have 7 hours of sleep. Jeff Bezos, he takes 8 hours of sleep. Okay, all the great people, I've shared that video on how many hours you should sleep. The duration, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, will keep your mind very relaxed, your body relaxed. If your body and mind is relaxed, the thoughts will be less. You will be able to control your thoughts much easier, right? So duration is how much? 7 to 8 hours sona chahiye mast. Okay, and the quality is very important, everyone. What? If you just sleep for the sake of sleeping, the quality has to be absolutely top notch. What is quality? When you wake up, जब आप उठ जाते हो, you feel like, wow, what a great sleep, I had a great time. Okay, so that quality, you should feel fresh, your body should feel agile as you wake up. ठीक है ना? That is very, very important. For that, now there are other reasons, other ways to sync with nature which we are going to explore. लेकिन you'll say, sir, मुझे पता है, I know, I need to sleep on time, duration, and all that thing, quality. But how to do it, right? Many of you must be saying, sir, how to do it? करे कैसे? The answer is this, my friend. From tomorrow, what we're going to do is something very interesting. We've been doing these meditations, right? We have been doing these meditations called as Meditate with Sadosh. But I have realized that we need to add something very interesting to that. Something very interesting, very, very something that really excites the human mind is stories. Okay, so from tomorrow we're going to do sessions called as Meditate with Sadhosh. And from tomorrow there's going to be very different kind of meditations we're going to do, and we're going to have stories. Okay, stories that will engage you, stories that will inspire you, stories that will get your minds naturally in sync, in positive mindset. Okay, stories of great entrepreneurs, stories of great philosophers, stories of great scientists, Indian scientists, stories of great artists, stories of what do you call, fable, like fable, simple stories, like the grandmother used to tell us, like that, stories, different stories, very interesting kind of stories, stories of great freedom fighters, every angle. We're gonna explore stories of great books, like for example, the great book like Train to Pakistan. There are great books that have been written, the novels. I'm gonna just sync it. I've prepared for you the stories, so that in 15-20 minutes you listen to this very engaging story that I've prepared, and you will feel very inspired. You will have a moral at the end, and you will have a thought which you can take it on the next morning, and you can use that thought. I'll give you a simple thought that you can practically implement the next morning. Stories in a way that will not only engage you, but it will help you to go to sleep, and you will fall asleep during, just post meditation. So from tomorrow, what we're going to do is very different kind of meditation, very different music. You'll have a different experience, because I believe that above everything, the most important thing is to sync with nature. To sync with nature is you got to sleep early. The best time of sleep is between 10 to 2. At least you should sleep by 11. So tomorrow, many of students just told me that, sir, we used to, we had the sessions at 8 o'clock, 8 baje session the, or we used to do the session, but no, after the session, we got busy, and we again slept late. Okay, na? So what I thought is, why don't we do the sessions like this at 9:30? Okay. So what happens is, when we do the sessions at 9:30, you please finish all your work as much as possible. Get your lunch, dinner, everything done by 9:15. Try finishing your dinner by 8:30, because what I said, the way to conquer overthinking is syncing with nature. अगर आप खाना 9 बजे खाओगे, that is again desyncing with nature. So try having your lunch, dinner as early as possible. 7, 7:30, 8, on the top 8:30. Okay, that is very important. So let's say you finish your dinner by 8:30, just relax, have time with your family. 9:30 you join the session. Okay, 9:30 को हम join करेंगे ये session. कौन सा वाला? Mast ekdam. We're going to start the session called as Meditate with Sadhosh at 9:30 from tomorrow. Okay, कल 9:30 बजे Meditate with Sadhosh. You understand? Very, very interesting. 9:30 p.m. Consider this as your bedtime. Okay, this is your bedtime. You please try and finish, if possible, all your work. Okay, and just as if you're going to bed, to get quality, I told you, like the time, the duration, and the quality, you have to have some preparation for your night, right? ऐसे ही नींद नहीं लग जाएगी. So you come to 9:30 for the session. We're going to do a little bit of dancing. We're going to do a little bit of meditation, breath work, and then we're going to sink into beautiful storytelling. And slowly, yeah. Everyone, is the voice and everything good? I see people dropping and then joining, dropping and joining. Any issues, Rohit? No issues? Just type in the chat box. No issues, fine. Okay. It's perfect, yeah. So, yeah. So, my dear friend, yeah, thank you. So, what we're going to do is 9:30 we're going to start, and we're going to start with certain kind of catharsis. Catharsis is, is venting out your emotions through dance, through shaking of the body. So, first 5 minutes, it's going to be very sharp. 9:30 is we're going to start. By 9:35 to 9:35, mostly 5-7 minutes, you're going to start with catharsis. Catharsis means venting your emotions out. Okay, venting your emotions out. There are very different methods of catharsis, but we're going to do simple because you're going to be at your house. If you shout and everything, people building वाले बोलेंगे कुछ खो गया भाई इनको, ठीक है? But we're going to do simple catharsis like dancing, certain chanting loudly. Catharsis is a way of whatever that you have accumulated in your mind throughout the day. Okay? You got to just throw that out, first of all. You cannot sit for meditation, or you cannot go to sleep at night if there is too much piled up in your head. पहले वो सारा जो बोझा है, सारा baggage, you got to put somewhere. Just all that luggage, all the baggage, you need to put aside. When you're feeling light, only then you can meditate, or only then you can sleep. So the first 5 minutes is going to be catharsis. You're going to vent your emotions out through different techniques every day. Then second is, then you're going to go into syncing with different kind of breath work, different musical meditations. And then very subtly, I'm going to tell you beautiful stories every day. Tomorrow, we're going to tell the story of Rumi. How many of you have heard about Rumi? Anybody heard the story of, anybody heard name Rumi? If you have, so tomorrow is going to be story of Rumi. So the stories are going to be something that the journey of the great people. You know, for example, we're going to, tomorrow, who's Rumi? What is his journey? What he has done in life? And what is the message? One day we're going to talk about Meera. One day, I've prepared all, like for almost 100 days, stories are ready for you. Story of Meera, story of the Oyo founder, Ritesh Agarwal, and the story of Ratan Tata, the story of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the story of a sparrow. I love that story of a sparrow. So there's so many stories which will have this beautiful, because stories really engage us. So tomorrow we're going to have the story of Rumi. Yeah, people have seen Rockstar, they know Rumi. Yeah, absolutely. यहाँ से बहुत दूर, सही और गलत के पार एक मैदान है, मैं वहाँ मिलूँगा तुझे. The starting line. Huh? What a great guy. I mean, what a great person. Wow. And I felt very relatable, the story of Rumi, to my life. You know, I kind of very resonate with Rumi in terms of the journey of life and the choices, and it's very emotional for me. So I'm going to tell you that story. It was going to be very, very, very engaging. So tomorrow, Rumi, and every day I'm going to tell you a surprise, what story you're going to have. Okay? So stories are going to be very, very interesting. Very interesting. And many different, like even Sarabhai, C.V. Raman, Abdul Kalam, all the stories, all the people. So any which way. So make sure you join every day 9:30, as if just try to finish all your work, everything as early as possible, and just come with loose clothes, you know, and make sure you join from your laptop. Okay. If you're using your phone, make sure you're using your wired phones. And then I'll slowly help you to go to sleep. As you sleep by 10:15, that's the first massive step you'll take to stop your overthinking. You understand? Because what did I say in the start? You got to sync with nature. Yeah. All the nature is syncing. Just we are out of sync. If you just sleep for 21 days, you'll see your mind is so much in your control. So the first step is sleep. Okay. So how many of you are going to join from tomorrow? Just type me in the chat box, 9:30. And tomorrow you're going to experience, by the way, everything is going to be so different. Can you just see, I've got something very interesting. You see this? Very heavy stuff. This is a mic that I've got specially for these meditations. I've realized this is a condenser mic, and this is a different kind of a dynamic mic. This is for conversations. This is going to create a very immersive experience. So today I'm not using it, but when I'm going to use this tomorrow, you're going to see a different level of immersive voice, like a 3D. Okay, so a lot of stuff has been done to give you a very deep and profound sleep. So just know this. Kal join kare, maza aane wala hai. Okay, this voice is going to be like ASMR sounds. Like यहाँ भी आवाज़ आएगा, वहाँ भी आवाज़ आएगा, tingling sensation, मज़ा आ जाएगा. Okay, कैसे नींद नहीं आई? नींद की पूरी परिवार आ जाएगा. ठीक है? पूरे नाचते दौड़ते आएंगे सारे कल. So the first step is to stop overthinking, is to sync with nature. And how to sync with nature is to sleep early. If you sleep early, let's say, what you got to do in the morning? Very, very simple. बहुत fancy stuff नहीं करना है. So to stop overthinking, the first is the basics things. How to sync with nature is sleep, which we are going to do it from tomorrow. And trust me, it's going to be entertaining. It's not going to be boring meditations. Arey yaar, meditate karna hai. No, you will be excited. Every day you'll be looking forward. Arey, today's what story? Oh, today which meditation? Oh, today is which breath work? So every day is going to be so much of entertainment, entertaining stuff. You look forward. And that's what I'm aiming for. Okay, so it's going to be a lot of fun. The first is sleep. So make sure you keep yourself 9:30, just show up. Okay, fantastic. Okay, after sleep, how to sync with nature is, obviously if you sleep early, the timing is, when I say, is it has to be 10, 10:30 on the top 11. Let's say even if you sleep at on the top by 11, and if you take 7 hours of sleep, naturally you will wake up at 6 o'clock. 11 और 7 कितने हुए? 6 बज गए. If you wake up at 6 o'clock, with whom you are waking up? Everyone just type in the chat box with whom you're waking up. Yeah. Yeah, very sensitive, yeah. Yes, you're waking up with birds. Me, is it possible little bit early as 9:15? Okay, we'll see. Yeah, you're waking up with sun. Absolutely. जिंदगी में कुछ करना है तो सूरज के पहले उठना है. ठीक है? Syncing with nature is to wake up. Sun is a signature sign that life has started. सूरज उगा मतलब जिंदगी स्टार्ट हो गई, अलाइवनेस स्टार्ट हो गई, जिंदा दिली स्टार्ट हो गई. तो सूरज के साथ अगर आप उठोगे तो naturally you will be in sync with nature. Mind naturally will be in control. But what we do? We sleep at 2 o'clock. We wake up at 9 o'clock. तो it out of sync हो गया, फिर mind hang हो जाएगा. So very, very important, everyone. If you sleep by 11, try, if you sleep at 11, try waking up as early as 6 is just fine. And you'll wake up with sun, you'll naturally will be in sync. Okay? That's why nature, God ने कहा भाई तुम बस मेरे साथ रहो, मेरे साथ सिंक में चलो, तुमको बाकी कुछ CBD करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, ना तुमको कुछ मेडिसिन की ज़रूरत है, just follow, just sync. So just sleep on time, and then when you wake up at 6, what you got to do? Work on your mind through a breath work. किधर गया ये? I'll just show this. The second way to overcome your overthinking is, everyone, breath work. कोई भी simple. I'm going to give you a breath work plus some nice simple meditation and positive affirmations. Obviously, affirmation means positive. Simple. And I'm going to give this 15 minutes every night. Every night I'm going to give this to you. Okay? When you sleep, just work on your mind. Breath work, simple meditation and affirmation. You don't have to do it for long time. Just 15 minutes of this is very, very, very important and enough. In the mind, work on your mind through a breath work, meditation, affirmations. I am going to give it to you. सारा ready-made है, just आपको करना है. My dear friend, mind is like a software. Okay? Yes, even if you have a website, okay, you need to work ना, उसके ऊपर क्या maintenance होता है, right? Every software needs to be worked. Our mind, we work on everything, on our businesses, on our relationships, right? But we don't work upon the mind. Mind is a software, उस पर रोज काम करना है. 15 minutes, more than enough. Just थोड़ा सा breath work, okay, simple meditation, and just say positive affirmations to yourself. Okay, if you do that every day just for 15 minutes in the morning, let's say you wake up at 6 o'clock, मतलब नहाए धोए फ्रेश हो गए 6:30 बजे मस्त, do this 15 minutes, 6:30 to 6:45 or whatever time you wake up at 7 o'clock. Just do it for 15 minutes. Overthinking, you'll see drastically your mind will start responding to you. Your mind will start listening to you. Your mind will start syncing with you. Mind को कंट्रोल नहीं करना है, माइंड को दोस्त बनाना है. माइंड इज ए सर्वेंट, माइंड को दोस्त बनाना है. तो क्या वो दुश्मन बन गया है? हैज द माइंड बिकम द एनिमी? नो, द माइंड हैज नॉट बिकम द एनिमी. We are treating our body and mind in a way which is out of nature, out of sync, and hence the mind is out of sync. If you start syncing with nature, your body will start syncing with you. Your mind will start syncing with you. तुम्हारा शरीर तुम्हारी बात सुनेगा, तुम्हारा मन तुम्हारी बात सुनेगा. तुम साथ 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 रहोगे. हम साथ साथ हैं, हम साथ साथ हैं. Okay, so very very important. To stop overthinking is not to do anything with the mind, but to make the mind your friend. Is to sync with the mind. So sleep early and wake up in the morning. और बस 15 मिनट का मैं आपको दे दूंगा, बस वो करो. And you'll see by 20-21 days, you'll see so much in syncing with your mind. So this is very important. Got it? Very simple stuff. Okay? This takes 15 minutes. And उसके बाद शरीर पे काम करो. Body में do any kind of exercise for 15 minutes. Okay? Exercise. क्या करना है exercise? If you do not have time, sir, I am a CEO of a company, और मैं सर कोई भी जो भी इंजीनियर हूँ, मेरे को काम इतना है, टाइम नहीं है. कैन यू टेक 15 मिनट्स? आई रियली थिंक सूक्ष्म व्यायाम एंड सूर्य नमस्कार. 15 minutes. This takes 15 minutes, not more than that. 15 minutes बस. जिंदगी ठीक है ना, बढ़िया. And then this takes 15 minutes. Okay. किधर गया ये? दिख रहा है मस्त एकदम. इसको अपन हम बढ़िया करेंगे. Can you see this? Very simple. Very simple. Syncing with nature is to work on your body, do any kind of exercise. If you do not have time and you want really powerful exercise, Sukshma Vyayam will take 7 minutes. Surya Namaskar, one set will take 15 minutes. 7 minutes. Both will take 15 minutes. Sleep on time, work on your mind, work on your body, and you will sync with nature. और फिर क्या होगा? फिर गाना बजेगा मस्त एकदम. संगीत बजेगा. आनंद का संगीत, प्यार का संगीत, खुशी का संगीत, शांति का संगीत. Your mind will start listening to you. It will just help you out. And you will no longer need to control your mind. The mind is going to be your servant. Okay? Very important. Simple thing here. Very, very simple stuff. Again, let me go back to the start of this today's session. I said, God has given us hands, eyes, everything He gave. And He thought if we do the simple things, the mind is going to be in control. So He did not give any tap or button. He thought that it's just the way the birds are sinking, the way the fishes are sinking, the trees, the rivers, the oceans are sinking with nature, with each other. Humans will also do that, but we have gone we've gone crazier, right? So if we sink, we'll get back to we'll start controlling the mind. But something very important, fourth thing is remembering, which we need to do, which we actually not need to do, I'll tell you. But just know it, body is like hard. Mind is a software, you need to work on the software. Body is hardware, you need to work upon the hardware. Okay? If you sleep early, if you work on your mind in the morning, 15 minutes, work on the body for 15 minutes, you're going to sync with nature. And trust me, you will just see in 2 weeks to 3 weeks how that intensity of those thoughts, the frequency of the thoughts, okay, all that has come so much down. The irrational thoughts will start becoming more rational. This fearful, worrisome thoughts will start, in exciting, peaceful, joyful thoughts. Everything will just sync with nature. Baki kuch nahi karna hai. Sync with nature. Just remember this. How should I, if you have any issues in your life, ask yourself, what can I do? I need to just sync with nature. Okay? Fantastic. Now the fourth simple thing we need to work upon. Very big, simple thing, and that is, very important fourth thing. Everyone, किधर गए? Smile oil करो, energy क्या है? Serious नहीं होना है, mast एकदम. Okay. The fourth simple thing is mastering internet. ये तो भूत आ गया है जिंदगी में. Mastering internet. Very important. This fourth thing to stop overthinking is mastering internet. Very, very, very important. Just remember this, the fourth thing, mastering internet. Internet has been one of the main reasons of overthinking. अगर आप मोटे हो गए एकदम मस्त गब्बू गब्बू, हाँ, इफ यू बिकम वेरी फैट, वन ऑफ द रीजन इज यू आर ईटिंग टू मच. आहार खूप जास्त आहे, खूप खातायत तुम्ही. If you're consuming too much, you're gonna become fat. Similar, if you're gonna consume too much here, your mind is gonna crack. Your mind is gonna go crazy. It'll hang. Overthinking, you cannot stop. तो क्या करना है? अगर पतला होना है तो क्या करना है? पहले कम खाओ यार, सिंपल बात है. पहले खाना ही कम खाओ, थोड़ा खाओ. माइंड, ज़्यादा आहार ले रहे हो, ज़्यादा कंजम्पशन कर रहे हो डेटा, इंफॉर्मेशन इन योर माइंड, तो क्या करना है? रिड्यूस. मन को कम इंफॉर्मेशन दो, कम डेटा दो. मन ज़्यादा कुछ है ही नहीं सोचने के लिए, मन शांत रहेगा. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट्स वाई आई एम समबडी, I literally haven't used Instagram for literally 3 years I have not used Instagram. Last 3 to 4 months I have just put in Instagram in my phone due to some business purposes, so that I want to operate, because I had given, मैंने किसी को दिया था, and that person was looking after whatever content you were seeing, that person was posting. But then I saw that the quality wasn't there. So right now I have gotten on Instagram actively. I'm just checking what is going on. But that has a time frame 10-15 minutes. But literally, when I took break after Diwali, we did not had sessions. 4 to 5 days, I did not open the WhatsApp. You won't believe. क्या शांति थी भाई साहब, मज़ा आ गया ज़िंदगी से. बादल देख रहा हूँ, बारिश देख रहा हूँ, हवा को महसूस कर रहा हूँ, अपनी सांसें महसूस कर रहा हूँ. मज़ा आ गया. ये थोड़ी हमारी ये महबूबा थी, उनके साथ ही तो एंजॉय कर रहे थे हम, नेचर की बात कर. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल टाइम. आई मीन वाओ. द लेस यू डेटा you will give to your mind, the less information, the less food you will give to your mind is going to be very, very peaceful. तो मास्टरिंग इंटरनेट, तो स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग. कुछ करना नहीं है ज़्यादा, सिंक विथ नेचर. ओके, एंड इंटरनेट को मास्टर करो. हाउ टू डू दैट? To master internet, my dear friend, first is whatever apps you're using, turn the notification off of all of them. Okay, सबका notification off कर दो. Instagram, if you get, oh, your friend liked your photo on Instagram, you'll just check. एक बार जो गए आप प्लेटफॉर्म पे, Instagram people very smart, they will not let you go out of Instagram. एक रील, दूसरी रील, रिकमेंडेशन, ये, और अब बाप रे 1 घंटा चला गया मस्त. और फिर द मोर डेटा यू आर टेकिंग, टाइटा फिश. ओके, सेम गोज विद यूट्यूब. If you get a notification on YouTube, oh, my friend posted this video, oh, this subscriber, click, थोड़ा वीडियो देख लिया, एक रील, बस यूट्यूब से निकल नहीं पाओगे फिर. Put the notifications first of all off of all the applications. Okay, all the applications, put the notification off. You should consciously go on that platform and then operate. That should not give any notification and pull you, okay, into the platform. Okay, so if you could do that, put all the notifications off of your social media or whichever platform, whatever you're using. Okay, less data, just no, मन को शांत रखना ना भाई, तो यहाँ कम होना चाहिए. Hey, if you have heard about Vipassana, I think it's there in Igatpuri है, कई सारे centers हैं. In Vipassana for 10 days, it's a 10-day session, beautiful, wonderful. For 10 days you cannot speak. Nobody speaks for 10 days in that. It's a 10 days program there. It's a very beautiful, you can check. 10 दिन कोई बात नहीं करता है. और बस क्या करना है? कुछ नहीं, बस अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान दो. Watch the breath going in, out. 10 दिन मतलब कुछ नहीं भाई. 3 to 4 days you'll feel so frustrated because कोई डेटा ही नहीं जा रहा इधर. Because if somebody will speak, you'll get that data ना from some people. कोई आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा, there is no phone, there is no mobile, no newspaper, nothing, no data, absolutely no, not a single word goes into your mind. After 5 days, this mind has become so clear. 7-8 day you feel so peaceful. 9 days, wow, next level. 10 days, बाप रे क्या परम सुख परमानंद. तो किया आपने कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, बस यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दी. ओके, सो टू मास्टर योर माइंड, द फर्स्ट आई मीन टू स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग इज डोंट गिव एनीथिंग टू थिंक. जो आपकी मम्मी कह रही है, आपकी बीवी कह रही है, आपके दोस्त यार कह रहे हैं, बस वो जो आ रहा है समाज में, जो सुनने मिल रहा है, ऑफिस में जो समाज में सुनने मिल रहा है, बस वही सुनो. और बाहर से कुछ मैं लेके आओ, मत लेके आओ. गेटिंग इट? So mastering internet, less information. These are the 4 simple things if you do in your life. 70 to 80% you'll see your mind has become your friend. Okay? By the way, got it? Very, very important. Very important, my friend. ठीक है ना? Mastering internet. तो notifications off कर दो. मैं the rich people, the billionaires, millionaires, most of them are not on the internet. You will be surprised. Many of them do not have the Instagram account. The most successful people don't have time for these apps. For them, it is a distraction. Okay, it's a waste of time. But if you really want to enjoy, post करना है, keep like a time slot कि भाई मैं दोपहर को 2 के after my lunch maybe 15 minutes I will watch. Okay. That's it. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, थोड़ा सा टाइम फ्रेम दे दो, कॉन्शियसली वॉच इट. ओके, बट ट्राई अवॉइडिंग वो दुनिया है ही नहीं यार, बकवास है सारा. बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट टू यू, जस्ट गो विद इन द नेचर, फ्लाई काइट्स, गो इन द गार्डन, यू नो, प्ले विथ योर पेट्स, मीट रियल पीपल आउटसाइड. Just check my TEDx talk, digital, what it was like, mental exhaustion due to digital overstimulation. I gave a talk in Jaipur on this same thing, that how much we need to sync with nature. Very important to stop overthinking, because one of the big factors is this phone or anywhere, that too much of information getting into our brains is really destroying our minds. Okay, as it is, you have problem of your career, you have problem of your family, 100 problem है, और तुम data लेके आ रहे हो, मतलब you understand? पेट इतना सा है, खाना इतना खा रहे हो, वैसा है दिमाग इतना सा है, क्यूट, and you're taking so much of data. So very, very important. Fantastic. Everyone, more 10-15 minutes. By the way, how many of you are following what I've said up till now here? If you're following what I've said up till here, just type FY in the chat box. FY is following you. Following you. Okay, if you followed what I've said up till now, just type here. The 5th, now we go. ये 4 चीज़ें basic है भाई, ये नहीं करोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा ज़िंदगी में. The 5th is, if you really want to take it to next level, is CBT, Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. Okay, that is one powerful way. But there's no point in doing this 5th thing if the first 4 things are not being done. ये थोड़ा advance हो गया, ये मतलब ABCD नहीं हुआ तो ये CBT is like, it's like writing small essays. CBT is very, very important. CBT means, especially the CBT video I have prepared, I'll give it to you again. It's a 2.5 hours of CBT that I've prepared. Also, it's a long program, like 6-7 hours of long CBT also I have prepared on the Inner Rebel program. Why CBT is important? C means cognition. B means behavior. And T means therapy. C means cognitive, means how to think. We really don't know how to think. Nobody has taught us how to think. How to think means how to think rationally. Or we think irrationally. My heart is beating fast. Arey, heart attack aa gaya. Arey, ruk. You're thinking irrational thoughts. Oh, my person in my building, that lady just walked past me and she did not even smile. She thinks that I'm a bad person or she does not value me. Everybody is behaving like that with me. Irrational thinking. You understand? There's no proof, there's no evidence. How to think rationally is very, very important. Many distortions we have in our thinking. गलत तरीके से हम सोचते हैं. So you need to find out those distortions. Okay? You need to find out the rational way of evidence-based thinking. ठीक है ना? I got this video on my YouTube. oh बाप रे परमानंद जी का वीडियो आ गया, maybe there is a sign given to God by me. Oh my God, what a beautiful same video. No sign. It's the algorithm that is working. If you search same content will come to you. So you need to think more rationally. People fall into irrational thoughts. So CBT will help you to think more rationally on evidence-based thinking, on finding your wrong way of thinking called as distortions. And behaviors is you do two types of behaviors. Some are overdoing behaviors and some are avoidance behaviors. Overdoing behaviors is when, let's say, you have health anxiety, you will again and again check your BP, again and again you will check your oxygen levels, again and again you'll search on Google, right, for your symptoms. Or if you have OCD, in OCD you do a thing again and again, over and over again, right? So these are the behaviors, overdoing behaviors. So two types of behaviors, one is avoidance behavior and one is overdoing behaviors. We talked about overdoing behaviors. Avoidance behaviors, if you have social anxiety, you will avoid yourself going in public. You understand? Certain avoidance. If you have agoraphobia, phobia of going all alone at crowded places, then you will avoid going out of your house in crowded place. That is an avoidance behavior. So in behavior, there are two types of behaviors, overdoing and avoidance behavior. So how to master these behaviors and how to master this cognition? Cognition is thinking. B means behavior is behaviors. If you know how to think and how to behave, that pattern is called as therapy. That therapy is called as cognitive behavioral therapy. So that is one way of stopping overthinking. Where you will get, you can just check in the WhatsApp group, our group. There is a 2.5 hours of very powerful CBT session I have done. Go, please check it out. And if you want, just message me. I'll reshare with you all again. It's very important to start thinking more rationally. Okay. Yeah. And again, in Inner Rebel program, there is a very extensive course on CBT. 6-7 hours. I've explored more than 24 cognitive distortions, which are so exciting, wonderful, which will really help you. तो कैसे मास्टर करे थॉट्स को? मास्टर करे थॉट्स को इस तरीके से. पहले बेसिक, सिंकिंग विद नेचर. And the fifth is CBT. You should know how to think rationally. This is more about thinking rationally. Okay. पढ़ाई, एजुकेशन का मतलब ये है कि हम थोड़ा रैशनल बने. ठीक है, बहक ना जाए कुछ भी विचार में. ओ माई गॉड, आई फेल्ड इन माई बिजनेस, दैट मीन्स लाइफ इज ओवर. नाउ जस्ट दिस cognitive distortion. Okay, just know this. Oh, I love this person. वो इंसान मेरी ज़िंदगी से चला गया, वो चली गई मेरी ज़िंदगी से. अब ये ज़िंदगी का क्या फ़ायदा, मेरा अकेलापन, मैं बस ख़त्म कर दूँ. People finish their lives. Oh my God, I wanted to give this exam. UPSC मैंने 4, 5, 6 साल ट्राई किया, वैसे नहीं हो पाया. I'm such a failure. What is this? People are finishing their lives. Crazy stuff. Okay. People need to think people need to know how to think rationally. Okay. Yes. So these irrational, catastrophic thoughts, mental filtering, personalization, hindsight bias, there are so many wrong way of thinking which we need to identify. Okay. And for that CBT is very, very important. So how to master our thoughts is, पहले तो ये 4 बेसिक करो, CBT करो. ये करोगे, आई थिंक यू आर मोर देन इनफ. बाकी कुछ नहीं करना है. लास्ट आई वुड जस्ट से, लास्ट इज जस्ट अ बिलीफ, जस्ट अ थॉट. एम्ब्रेस, दिस इज नो फॉर्मूला, द अनसर्टनिटीज ऑफ लाइफ एंड allow yourself, embrace and accept the uncertainties of life and allow yourself to experience different emotions. That's it. This is more of a belief, no technique as such. This is the thing. The 6th, embrace and accept the uncertainties of life and allow yourself to experience different emotions. Allow. I'll explain this. This is just this is a belief more than any technique. If you have this belief, life will be so easy. Okay. The first four are syncing with nature. Okay. This is a basic ABCD. Then this is more of a technique you do. Okay. And fifth is a belief. Empowering belief if you have this. Okay. I'll explain this sixth. Embrace and accept the uncertainties of life and allow yourself to experience different emotions. Let me explain this. Embrace and accept the uncertainties of life. See, कल क्या होगा किसी के पप्पा को नहीं पता. ओके. कल क्या हो जाएगा. कल आप बिजनेस में हिट हो जाओगे, कल आपका बिजनेस फ्लॉप हो जाएगा, कल बाल बढ़ेंगे, कल गंजे हो जाओगे, किसी को नहीं पता. ठीक है. आज कोविड नहीं है, कल कोविड आ जाएगा, किसी को नहीं पता. जिससे आप प्यार करते हो आज आपके साथ है, कल नहीं होगा. कुछ नहीं पता कल क्या होगा. पर डरना है कल से. एम्ब्रेस द अनसर्टेनिटीज ऑफ लाइफ. जो पता नहीं है जो होने वाला है उसको पहले एम्ब्रेस करो. जस्ट नो दैट whatever that is going to happen in future, I embrace, good or bad. I'm not fearful. I embrace the uncertainties of life. And I accept the uncertainties of life. When you start creating resistance, ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ये नहीं होना चाहिए, then you start fighting with the future, the uncertainties of life. I hope it doesn't happen. I hope the worst doesn't happen. The worst happens, I'm okay. The best happens, I'm okay. I accept the uncertainties of life. Have that belief. Tomorrow, anything can happen. You look forward for it, good or bad. Accept it. A beautiful video put by Vipul yesterday. And in that, one of the things is accepting your emotions the way they are. Many times we say we do not accept. We should accept it. When you accept, it's a dissolution. ठीक है ना. Acceptance as such a psychology में तो यही बात कही गई है that the biggest medicine is acceptance. मैं गंजा हूँ, सारे लोग मुझे कैसे देख रहे हैं. People are must be making fun of me. I'm a bald person. मैं टकलू, सब टकलू चिल्ला रहे हैं. You accept it. ये गंजापन बहुत खूबसूरत है. I like being bald. I look more bold. I look more charismatic. Even Jeff Bezos, one of the richest person, is bald. Dwayne Johnson, one of the richest actor, The Rock, ganja hai. I accept. You will start enjoying. You understand? Anything that you do not accept in life creates resistance. So embrace the uncertainties and accept the uncertainties of life. You understand? Very important. मैं पतला हूँ, accept कर लो. जो भी है. If you could take actions towards them, nothing like it. Got it? Very important. And as I said in that sentence, and allow yourself to experience different emotions. ठीक है? Allow yourself to experience different emotions. And all emotions are temporary, my friend. खुशी, if you're feeling happy, 10 साल खुश नहीं रहोगे. थोड़ा टाइम रहोगे. फिर दुख होगा. फिर दर्द होगा. फिर डर होगा. फिर एंजाइटी होगी. फिर नफरत होगी. फिर गिल्ट होगा. फिर जेलसी होगी. फिर दीवानगी होगी. फिर प्यार होगा. फिर खुशी होगी. तो होते रहेगा. It's like different seasons. You understand? Look at nature. Learn from nature. The nature, not all the year months there is monsoon. Not all the months there is winter. Then all the months there is summer. मौसम बदलते हैं. फीलिंग्स भी चेंज होती रहेगी. एंजाइटी हो रही है, ओके, एक्सेप्ट इट. पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. बस अपने आप को पूछो, मैंने ये बेसिक चीज़ सही की क्या? ये पहले 4 चीज़ सही की क्या? हाँ, बस बाकी ठीक है. थोड़ी बहुत एंजाइटी मैं ले लूँगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. It's okay to feel anxious. It's okay to feel sad. The word is it's okay. In a beautiful video by Vipul, in that also it was beautifully accepted that it's okay to feel what you're feeling. That lady said to Vipul, which was so much beautiful, very wise lady. We need to know it's okay to feel what we are feeling. If you feel little lustful at times, it's okay to feel that feeling. If you feel divine, if you feel like very devotional, it's fine. If you feel anxious, it's fine. If you feel Happy, it's fine. Happiness to fine ही fine है. Mostly negative emotions, we have resistance. Please accept them. They are also part of life. Okay? And just know they are not going to be that permanent. No sadness, fear, worry is going to be permanent. No happiness, love, freedom, celebration is going to be permanent. अगर परमानेंट चाहिए तो पहाड़ों पे चले जाओ, वो कोई नहीं आएगा वहाँ पे. ठीक है, गो टू द माउंटेन्स. हाँ, कोई नहीं तो गुफा ले लो, वहाँ बैठ जाओ अपना पालती मार के, फिर वहाँ फिर then you can find, if you're ready for that, do that. But if you want to enjoy the cocktails and mocktails of life, the different flavors and emotions, so just know this, and then the overthinking nahi hogi. Okay. And the last thing, everyone, how many of you are following? Last thing I'm going to share, and we're going to wind up in next 10 minutes. How many of you followed what I've said up till now? Please type WY in the chat box. If you followed what I've said up till now, just type WY. WY matlab with you. With you. Okay. Yes. With you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hari bol. और last और आखिर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हमारे कृष्ण कहते हैं, हरे कृष्णा, हरि बोल. कृष्ण कहते हैं, कृष्ण क्या कहते हैं, अगर हम वो करें, टेक एक्शंस टुवर्ड्स योर वरीज. बस बात खत्म. टेक एक्शंस टुवर्ड्स योर वरीज. कर्मण्येव अधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. टेक एक्शंस टुवर्ड्स योर फियर और योर वरीज. किस चीज़ की चिंता है आपको? कुछ चीज़ की चिंता है, कर्म करो, एक्शंस करो. इसको कर्म भी कह लें हम. बस कर्म इज टेक एक्शंस टुवर्ड्स योर वरीज. सो आई एम वरीड, व्हाट इफ आई बिकम मोर फैट? अरे तो पतला हो, जा एक्सरसाइज कर बेटा, थोड़ा कम खाना खा, बाकी कुछ मत कर, चिंता मत कर, एक्शंस कर. कम खाना खाओ, एक्सरसाइज करो, वक्त पे सो, मस्त हो जाएगा सब. सर आई एम वरीड, व्हाट इफ आई डोंट गेट द बेस्ट जॉब, इफ आई डोंट गेट अ अप्रेजल? अरे तो वर्क हार्ड. क्या एक्शंस ले सकते हो? हाँ, अपग्रेड योर स्किल्स, थ्रो मोर रिज्यूमेज, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम हार्ड वर्क करो. ठीक है ना, जो इंस्टाग्राम पे टाइम कर रहे हो उससे अच्छा कोई नया कोर्स ले लो. जस्ट शार्पन योर स्किल सेट. टेक एक्शंस टूवर्ड्स वॉट एवर यू वरीड, बिकॉज फियर इज फियरफुल ऑफ एक्शंस. डर को किसका डर लगता है? कर्म का, एक्शंस का. एक्शंस लो, सारी चिंता. आई मीन, ब्यूटिफुल एग्जाम्पल, कमिंग बैक टू विपुल अगेन एंड अगेन, सच अ नाइस वीडियो ही शेयर्ड. ही टुक एक्शंस ना. He just didn't kept on sitting and thinking whatever he was feeling. He went ahead and very courageously put a message to that lady. And see, something happened. Right? A beautiful conversation struck. He took actions. We need to remember this. He took action. Please watch that wonderful video by Vipul in the Safe Space with Sadhosh group. Actions लो. बैठे हाथ पे हाथ धरे बैठोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. ठीक है ना? कुछ करो towards चिंता. पैसों की चिंता है, कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग लगाओ, एक्शंस करो, सोचते मत बैठो. सेहत ज़्यादा मोटे होते जा रहे हो, सोचो नहीं, चिंता नहीं करो, एक्शंस करो. टेक एक्शंस टुवर्ड्स योर वरीज. ठीक है, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट इन लाइफ, टेक एक्शंस. ओके, फियर इज फियरफुल ऑफ एक्शंस माई फ्रेंड. और क्या कह रहा था मैं? मस्त. तो ये चीज़ें भाई, टू स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग. बाकी तो वी कैन गो ऑन. अभी तो ऐसे तो बहुत सोल्यूशंस है, बट दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स. पहले 4 बेसिक है, ABCD है. ये थोड़ा अच्छे से करो. ये करोगे तो आई विल टेल यू 75 to 80% चीज़ें सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगी. CBT इज़ अ वंडरफुल टेक्निक. प्लीज़ वॉच इट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑन दिस प्लानट मस्ट लर्न हाउ टू थिंक रैशनली. नो रिलीजियस लीडर इज गोना मेक अस फूल इफ वी नो हाउ टू थिंक रैशनली. नो पॉलिटिकल लीडर, नो रिलीजियस लीडर, no Babaji, nobody who's fraud or who is trying to get use of us, manipulate us. Nobody can manipulate us wrongly if we know how to do CBT. Very important. We can think for ourselves. And 6th is a very important, as I said, Sixth is this belief, and seventh is taking actions. Got it? Very, very important. Actions is very, very important. All the great people, India got freedom not because of thinking, but because of actions. Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, all the great people, they fought. They fought means they took actions for the freedom of the country. That is karma in action. लम्बे अरे यार ये अंग्रेज तो बहुत परेशान कर रहे हैं, क्या करे यार, ये जलियन वाला बाग मैसेकर हो गया, सो मच ऑफ पेन पुट ऑन दिस बाय दिस ब्रिटिशर्स, क्या करे. मैनी पीपल चिंता करते बैठ गए. उठा कोई और बोला मैं क्रांति लाऊंगा. ठीक है ना, एक्शंस इंपॉर्टेंट है. चिंता हो तो एक्शंस फटाफट करो, शांति मिल जाएगी. देयर वर दिस मुगल्स, वेरी brutal, very cruel Mughals who were destroying Indian temples, creating all that havoc. Many people were just praying, God, 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 kuch karo. But not many were actually taking action. Then rose Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He said, I'll make sure that I throw these people out of my state, out of my country. Swarajya हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे आणि मी तो घेणारच. Okay, and heroes, Guru Tegh Bahadur, all those great people. If you really think something is worrying you, just take actions. Okay, and that way your overthinking will just stop. Whatever you're thinking, whatever, small little thing. Oh, did I say something wrong to that person? Is she thinking that I'm a bad person? If you're thinking like that, go talk to that person. Take actions. Bhai dekh, maine aisa bol liya, tere ko kuch laga gaya. I did not mean to say that. But if I've said, I want to say sorry. Go talk to that person. Simplistic action taking. If you feel. Whatever it is. If you think your boss is thinking like that, go talk to your boss. Take actions and finish your overthinking. Okay? Get busy. There are other solutions as well. I mean, but one last thing I would like to add here is... अरे भाई एक ऐड करते ही है बड़ा I can't. That is, my dear friend, one last solution I would like to add is, I mean, there's nothing like this. I mean, how I forgot. Okay. The one last solution before we leave, which I truly believe is, I mean, very, very important. And that is future goals or love for creation. Okay, very important. Last point. Okay, that's the last thing. To stop overthinking. Future goals or love for creation. Not creations, creation. Last point. What does that mean, the last 8th one? That is, if I tell you, for example, everyone, just hypothetical. Let's say if I tell you all that from your place, there is another city, 3 hours, and you have to reach there in next 3 hours only, and on that place, there is a tree. Under that tree, 10 foot down, there are 500 crores. You got to just dig that land under the tree, take those 500 crores in next 3.5 hours. If you take that 300, you have to take that 300 crores, use those 200 crores for the well-being of the society, and 300 crores you must just enjoy. That is a rule. And if you do that, entire world is going to be happy. You're not greedy. Let's say God tells you this. Next 3 hours, you got to reach that place, and you got to dig that 500 crores. 200 crores, please help the society. Next 300 crores, enjoy. And in that way, the whole entire society is going to be happy. Do you have time right now to start overthinking? Or you just have 3 hours, you'll rush to that place? How many of you think you cannot think anything else but that future goal? Just type me. Yeah. If you have that goal, if you do not have anything else, you will have to If I tell you this, you have only 3 to 4 hours, you will just move towards that place. You will not think about anything because you have certain vision, certain goal that is given in front of you, which is very intriguing, which is very engaging, which is good for you and for the society. Like that, for a life, in your life when we are leaving, we should have a goal in future. कि मुझे ये पाना है, ये चाहिए मुझे. ठीक है, and it could be anything. It could be having a great business or a great career. It should really be exciting. So you think about that. If your mind is focused on a goal in future, however, you will not overthink because your mind is so much focused on achieving that thing. Narendra Modi has such a future vision for 10-15 years, right or wrong, good leader, bad leader, I'm no one to say, but he has so much in his plate for future, he does not have time to sit and overthink. Just put yourself in the shoes of Narendra Modi or Mr. Any Ambani or Mahendra. They have so much in for the next 10-20 years. यहाँ बैठ के टाइम नहीं ओवरथिंक करने का. अगले 20 साल का पूरा रोड मैप है. Have a road map. Have something. What is that thing that you want to do? What do you want to create in the world for the next 10 years, 20 years? Find it out. One of the things that we just saw, Dhanashri is asking how to set goals. We will do that in one of the lectures. It's a big thing. But simplistically, I would say to set goals is think about the end goal. What do you want to achieve? And then a reverse engineer come back. What you will do today or tomorrow. Okay, come back. Start from the end, then come back. That is how you can set goals. Okay, let's say in 1 year you want to achieve this. Then ask yourself, what do I need to do next 6 months? Then what I need to do in next 3 months? What I need to do in this month of November? To achieve this goal at the end of November, what do I go to do in this 1 week? To achieve this in 1 week, what do I got to do today? Okay, and start doing whatever that is important today, in the next week, in next month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. You will be close to that goal. Maybe you have achieved that goal. So start from the end and then pull back. Okay. That's the way. That's the reverse engineering, they call it, to set your goals. Okay. That is the way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Short-term goals, long-term goals. We have not explored goals as such. So my dear friend, yeah, but that's the way you reverse engineer it and keep taking actions on it every day, small actions. Taking actions. So reverse engineer and take actions consistently. So these are the ways you can to stop overthinking, master your mind. But सबसे important है sleep. First 4 things are syncing with nature. If you mastering internet is also syncing with nature because too much of data is not good for your mind. First 4 things are primary, very basic. 5th CBT, please do it. 6th is a wonderful belief. Make this as your own. 7th is take action towards whatever you're worried. And for future, set some exciting goals. I'll just say exciting goals. You're excited. You should feel when you get up from the bed, you should feel excited. आज ये करना है, कल वो करना है. Future exciting goals. Also, it's like I call it love for creation. You want to create. You're not doing just for money, but you're just excited. It's called as love for creation. Fantastic. Okay, so these are the 6 things. By the way, how many of you had if you had a great time today up till now? Just type GT in the chat box if you had a great time. Fantastic. Yeah. Thank you, Kumar. Okay, so everyone, tomorrow, as I said, we're going to start with Meditate with Sadosh in a very new fashion. Very new style. It's going to be a different kind of stuff. 9:30. चैन से जीना है तो जल्दी सो जाओ. Peaceful life begins with early nights. Okay, very interesting. Very different kind of meditations. Tomorrow I'm going to tell you a story of Rumi. Okay, beautiful Rumi story. The story is going to start with who's Rumi, how everything. It's a beautifully crafted story. You'll get a moral, you'll get a life lesson, and you're going to feel emotionally moved. And slowly you will have Rumi in your body and mind, and you'll go to sleep. Every day, the night sessions are this Meditate with Sadosh. From tomorrow we are starting. The aim is you sleep early. The aim is you sleep with positive thoughts. The aim is that when you wake up more enthusiastic about the future, because when you hear the life of Rumi, when you hear the life of Karsan Bhai, the Nirma group, when you hear the story of all the great leaders and all the great achievers, the masters, imagine with that stories, if you're sleeping, you'll wake up with those stories, with that inspiration in mind. So when you'll think about the future, you'll think more positive, more excited. Overthinking, I also think overthinking is not a problem. Overthinking negatively is a problem. If you're overthinking positive, it's still okay to feel. It's still okay to think, to overthink on positive thing. Oh, I want to create this business. Oh, I'm excited. I want to create this wonderful idea I have. Wow, so many thoughts going. If something is really exciting about the future, it's nice. Let's say you want to go to Goa or any beautiful vacation place with your friends. Many times you will not, नींद नहीं आएगी रात को. You'll not be able to sleep. Oh, I will go there. I'll wear those clothes. I will take that. So many ideas going. That's a good place to be in. That excitement about future. But currently the problem about overthinking is you're thinking negatively. What if? So the aim of this night sessions is going to be that you go sleep early, and you sleep with so much positive thoughts, and you wake up with those beautiful feelings, and you start, you are excited for the future. Okay, so if you're really excited, show up tomorrow. Yes, show up tomorrow, everyone, for Meditate with Sadhosh tomorrow at 9:30. Okay, consider this 9:30 as like you're going to sleep as if you're actually going to sleep. Just be in your bed if you want. After the session, just put the phone off or anything and just go to sleep. Okay, so I'll help you. Even if you have insomnia, whatever issues you're facing, trust me, you'll fall asleep. Okay, tomorrow we have the story of Rumi. Every day, different stories we're going to have. Okay, fantastic. So, and very, very important for sound quality, if you want to use your phone for the sessions, please wear the wired phones. Okay, if you're logging in, this Bluetooth doesn't work. No Bluetooth works with phone, and use wired earphones. If not wired, then please, the best is use your laptop. Okay, in laptop you can use Bluetooth, you can use anything you want. Okay, immersive sound is very important for these meditations, otherwise koi maza hi nahi hai. Okay, so best is start, just log in with your laptop. Thank you so much, everyone, with loads of love. I'll just open the group. Whatever you felt about today's session, please do mention in one word or one sentence. And I will know that you have learned something, you felt something. Thank you so much for your time. One last time, I'm just going to show this to you about Meditate with Sadhosh tomorrow, 9:30. Fantastic. And tomorrow we're going to start with the story of Rumi. Okay, fantastic. The story is going to be at the end, maybe at the 15-20 minute. And these are the ways to stop overthinking. As we said, the basic is sleep, my friend. Sleep is the most basic thing. In the morning, do little breath work. I'm going to share with you this breath work and everything. Sukshma Vyayam, start Surya Namaskar exercise. Or if you want to do any exercise, if you're okay, if you like to go to gym, if you like to do Zumba, asana, anything you like, you please do that. But I'm just sharing this because people who do not have time give excuses. So that I just want to share this. Please do this and it'll help you. Mastering internet, fantastic. बाकी ये सारी चीज़ें बढ़िया, ठीक है ना, बढ़िया एकदम. और take actions के लिए, you just remember this reverse engineering for your goals and whatever that is worrying you. And yes, just take actions. Also, we're going to start with Confession Cafe, our Telegram group, where I'll share that Telegram group link and you have to join as an anonymous. अपना नाम नहीं डालना है वहाँ पे, ठीक है ना. You can just write Bogambo or Teja, whatever you type. Okay, and just write TIR after that. You will have an anonymous name and you're going to just log into that Telegram group. I'll share it with you. The purpose of that group is going to be that you can share anything you wish to. Let it be constructive. Any painful thing that you have regarding anything in life, please share and we all will support you. When we have our identities, then people feel fearful of being judged. And I know that. So, when you have your own name, what will people think? No, you're not that name. You write any name have any photo. Don't put your own photo there. If any photo, random one. So anonymous names. We're going to start Confession Cafe, where you can just write and express anything regarding your relationship, career, anything, like anything you wish, like something is disturbing you, and we will all help each other. Okay. And Vipul is a beautiful example, the way he put the video. This is what I really want people to put: video, to put audio, to put messages, to share what they feel. It's a safe space. Nobody's here to judge you. But still, if you're feeling judged, we are going to create this group where you will have your own name. I mean, whatever name you choose. कुछ भी नाम रखो. Okay. Osama. Okay. Teja. क्या पता. कुछ भी नाम रखो. Okay. And at the end, you're going to write TIR. TIR is the symbol of the inner rebel. Okay. So you belong to the community. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Loads of love. After a long time, I'm meeting you. And I'm so happy to be able to connect with you all. And thank you so much for your time. I really love you. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone, before leaving, just type need session on mastering internet. Sure. Yeah. We'll have another session on internet. Also, Vipul, in this Inner Rebel program that we have, in that there is a special, I think, session is there on mastering internet. But yeah. Before we leave, to master internet, I think one important thing is, if we have our days planned a day before, कल क्या करना है, तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि इतने सारे काम है, करने के लिए वक्त ही नहीं है. अब जब वक्त ही नहीं है तो इंटरनेट के लिए कहाँ वक्त दे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट नाउ आई एम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू टॉकिंग टू यू. आई एम डेडिकेटेड टू दिस. आई डू नॉट हैव टाइम फॉर इंटरनेट. बहुत टाइम इंटरनेट पे तभी जाता है जब हमें पता नहीं हमें करना क्या है आज. जब हमें पता है आज करना क्या है, तो फिर वही करना है. फिर इंटरनेट पे कैसे टाइम वेस्ट होगा. Okay, so schedule your day every night if you want. That I'm gonna, this is the time I'm gonna wake up. ये करना है. To-do list, whatever you want. And just see yourself before you sleep that you are doing it. Just visualize for a minute or two, and your mind will naturally wake you up, and you will start doing those things. And you will not have time for internet. For example, WhatsApp. For the last 4-5 days, I haven't seen WhatsApp. Yesterday, I opened the WhatsApp because there were so many things to do. So many things to do that I just couldn't find time, even if I wanted to. I like watching certain YouTube content on business and all that. I just did not get time. Just because that's one of the ways to master internet is plan your day so that there are so many things lined up that you don't have time to avoid internet because you just don't have time for internet. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. And notifications pehle to off kar do. That's one thing. Delete apps which you don't need. Very, very basic. Thank you so much. Love you all, everyone. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Just type in the chat box, everyone. LYA. Love you all. And fantastic. Thank you. Love you. Thank you. Arey, thank you, Vipul. Thank you. Good day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow night at 9:30.